Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be discussing how a balanced diet can improve sexual function in men. If you're interested in improving your sex life, then you won't want to miss this. If this is your first time you are visiting my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, and if you find value in this video, kindly consider liking and sharing the video, and without wasting much time, let us dive into the video. Did you know that what you eat can affect your sexual function? Eating a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help improve overall health, including sexual function. In this video, we'll be discussing the specific nutrients and foods that can help improve sexual function in men. Let's start with the macronutrients. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, including the tissues in the penis that are responsible for achieving and maintaining an erection. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. Carbohydrates are also important, as they provide the body with energy. However, it's important to choose complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, instead of simple carbohydrates like refined sugars and white flour products. Complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy, which can help improve stamina during sexual activity. Finally, healthy fats are essential for maintaining good cardiovascular health, which is important for sexual function. Good sources of healthy fats include nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish like salmon. In addition to macronutrients, there are also several micronutrients that can help improve sexual function in men. Let's start with vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to erectile dysfunction in men. Good sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk and cereal. Next up is zinc. Zinc is essential for testosterone production, which is important for maintaining a healthy libido. Good sources of zinc include oysters, beef, pork, and chicken. Another important micronutrient is magnesium. Magnesium is important for relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow, which is important for achieving and maintaining an erection. Good sources of magnesium include spinach, almonds, and black beans. Finally, let's talk about antioxidants. Antioxidants are important for protecting the body against oxidative stress, which can damage cells and tissues in the body, including the tissues in the penis. Good sources of antioxidants include berries, dark chocolate, and green tea. Now that we've talked about the specific nutrients that can help improve sexual function, let's discuss some specific foods and meals that you can incorporate into your diet. For breakfast, try a smoothie made with berries, spinach, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds. For lunch, try a quinoa salad with grilled chicken and vegetables. For dinner, try grilled salmon with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus. And for snacks, try a handful of almonds, a piece of dark chocolate, or some baby carrots with hummus. Remember, eating a balanced diet isn't just important for sexual function, but also for overall health and well-being. So, make sure to prioritize healthy eating habits in your daily routine. And if you want to improve your sexual performance at all levels, without lifting a finger, I have discovered a supplement that can help you with that. Just check the link in the description below to learn more about the male enhancement supplement. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching.